Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I will show you that how you can recover your messages from WhatsApp. For example, if someone texts you and he deleted that message, so how you can recover that message. For example, I will show you that if someone texts me like this, now you can see my message is deleted and now I will recover it. Watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So first of all, you have to go to the Play Store and search for the app anti-delete message for WhatsApp. After installing that app, you have to open it, and here you can see you have to enable that option. And as you can see, there are so many different messages that are recovered from WhatsApp. So someone texts me like this and I have to delete that message. Here you can see the message is deleted, and now you have to go anti-delete message. And here you can see my message is recovered. From this way you can too recover your message from WhatsApp. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like it and understand it properly. If you have any question about the topic we covered today, we did love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a fantastic day.